Hey, what's up guys, it's Shalil here from your tech channel and I have built a gaming PC for myself. In this video, let's talk about that. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, let's get things started with the processor. I have chosen the latest i3-7100 from the Kaby Lake series of Intel. This processor is clocked at 3.9 GHz. It has 2 physical cores and 4 threads, which if you guys know about hyperthreading will give a performance equivalent of a quad-core processor. This is one of the best value for money CPU in the price of 8,000 rupees. Since the processor has an LGA 1151 socket type, so I have to choose a motherboard of LGA 1151 socket. I came across the Gigabyte H110MH with the H110 chipset and LGA 1151 socket type. This comes with 2 RAM slots and accepts DDR4 type of memory. It is constructed on a micro ATX form factor. One good thing about this board is that it also comes with an HDMI port. But I won't be using that because I will be having a graphics card. I got this board for 4,500 rupees and this is a great board according to the price. Since our motherboard accepts DDR4 type of memory, I have gone with the Kingston HyperX Fury 8GB DDR4 RAM stick. This RAM is specifically made for gaming. I got this for 4,000 rupees. Coming to the most exciting and the most expensive thing of this build, the graphics card. A GTX 1050 Ti overclocked from Zotac. This graphic card is doing complete justice with the price of 12,000 rupees. This 1050 Ti can handle any graphically intensive task very easily. 1080p gaming at 30 FPS is what this card is made for. If you also have a budget of 30,000 to 35,000 rupees, you can go for this card. So guys, when you have spent so much on other things, we have to cheap out something. Well, in this case, two things: the power supply and the cabinet. The power supply is of 500 watts and is from a company called GSM. I got this for 1,000 rupees. I am not sure if you can find this on Amazon or Flipkart, but it is easily available in offline store. And the cabinet is from a Chinese company called Mora. I wasn't able to find this on internet too and wasn't sure if you can find this in offline store. But the cabinet has a very nice build quality. Comes with 2 USB ports at front, one of which is a USB 3.01. On the front itself there is a mic and a headphone jack. It does not have any side window. Well, you can't expect that in the price of 1,500 rupees, but this cabinet has a CPU hole and a nice compartment for cable management and comes with a really nice brushed metal finish. I am happy with my decision and this cabinet is serving well to me. So guys, that's it for the PC build. If you have any questions or query, do list them out in the comment section, and I will be doing a review of this build after 1 or 2 months after this video. So stay tuned for that by subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shalil signing off. Have a good day.